Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a game within Among Us. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Among Us game within your device, and once it is opened up and you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can join various different games. In order to join an existing game, tap on the play button, and now if you have a local friend hosting a game, then you can tap on local to join the game. Otherwise, tap on online, and now you have various different options. You can click on find game underneath public to join a public game, or you can also tap on enter code to join a private game. After tapping on your appropriate option, you will be able to choose from the various different games that are being hosted. Just tap on whichever game you want to join, and then you can also vote for the map that you want. Once the number of players required is fulfilled, your game will immediately begin, and now you can start playing with the various other players online right within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a game on Among Us. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.